Hello and welcome. You're watching Donbosco Media Network. This is Monalisa Rambai, bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. Representatives of the Salesian colleges in the province of Chile, CIL, met on Communicators Day, held at the Provincial House on 14 and 15th May. The event, organized by the social communication sector of the CIL province, had the objective of presenting topics, promoting collaborative work, and providing tools and practical elements. Father Juan Bustamante, Vice Provincial, presided over the opening Eucharist and addressed a message to the communicators. Following the dynamic presentation of the participants, a formation event entitled Walking with Young People in Digital Culture was held, led by Karina Velarde, member of the communication sector of the CIL province, who explored the role of supporting young people with new technologies. On 13th May, the Don Bosco Church in Altamira, Caracas, Venezuela, was filled with joy and gratitude for the commemoration of the 56th anniversary of the founding of the Damas Salesianas Association, ADS. The solemn celebration began with the Eucharist, in which God was thanked for the precious mission entrusted to the association. Father Rafael Montenegro, Superior of the Salesian Province of Venezuela, VEN, presided, accompanied by Father Luis German Prato, SDB, Spiritual Counselor General of ADS, and other Salesians present on this special day. The celebration was attended by the Damas Salesianas from all centers in Caracas, as well as workers, collaborators, and students from 2 schools belonging to the association. As happens every year in the Basilica of Mary Help of Christians in Brenna, it is a tradition that a few days before the procession, the enthronement of the Virgin takes place. Step by step, rhythmically and elegantly, past pupils from the 1999 class prepare for the procession of the Virgin Mary Help of Christians in Brenna, practicing movement, coordination, and movement of the bearers of the statue. Step by step, with a feeling of love for the mother, tears of emotion and joy, the young people participated, accompanied by their family members, sharing this experience of Salesianity. The visit of Miss Danielle Muley, Ambassador of Switzerland to Nepal, at the Don Bosco Institute of Engineering and Technology, TECO Kathmandu, accompanied by her assistant, represented an important step on the path of networking and getting support from different agencies. The ambassador's visit took place in the afternoon of 14th May with a message to students, a visit to the workshops, and a walk to observe initiatives on behalf of nature, including agricultural training. This visit was facilitated by Marcus Buri, Director of the Don Bosco Salesian Mission Office in Switzerland. The ambassador expressed her appreciation to the Don Bosco organization across the world for the training given to students and young people. The annual retreat in the Blessed Michael Rua Vice Province of Southern Africa, Lesotho and South Africa, has been taking place from 12th May at the Don Bosco Youth Center in Walksville, Johannesburg. The retreat theme, God's Dream for Me, is being led by Brother Raymond Callow, SDB, member of the formation sector at Salesian headquarters in Rome. The 30 participating Salesians from the 3 countries in the AFM Vice Province and involving 17 different nationalities are being led day by day with the dynamics of spiritual accompaniment in the silence of the beautiful nature of the Vaal region south of Johannesburg. The Salesians were invited to the semi-guided retreat style with a brief introduction to personal prayer with questions and prompts for small spiritual sharing groups. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.